Oh, here comes Dylan. Some peas for the first time. Gonna be yummy. Gonna be yummy. Maybe not. Oh, yummy. Ooh.
Yum, yum.
Those taste good, huh?
Some yummy in your tummy? Okay,
Oh, yes. That's a lot of love and flavor right there. That tastes good? Huh? Does that taste good? Huh? Yeah.
Yummy, say
Say Mmm. Oh, that looks delicious, Dylan.
Yummy, sweet peas. Sweet peas. Okay, say
Sweet peas, come on, buddy. Come on.
Oh.
Oh. Yep, yep. He won on that one, Mom.
Say
Yep.
Say
I won that one, Mom.
Yummy.
That's just a look of joy right there.
Don't spit it out, Dylan.
He likes peas so much. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. That's all over the floor. Mommy taught Dylan that trick, the spit trick there. It wasn't Daddy that taught him that one. That was Mommy. Ah, buddy. And then next I'll make his favorite noise to make him smile. Once Ruby tries to get that in his mouth. I think he's winning, honey. Seems to be putting more back on the spoon.
I know. Say Dylan. Sweet peas.
I don't know if the microphone can make out the sound of the cat. Dylan! He likes that noise. So that's Dylan enjoying sweet peas for the first time. He's
6 months old.
He's 6 months old now, and he actually really enjoyed eating carrots as well as some sweet potatoes. But obviously the sweet peas he's not a big fan of. So say hi, hon.
Hi.
That's the beautiful mom. Nope, he wants Mommy.
Okay, Dylan.